Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. So as you already know that most of us we focus on network administrator, or we can say we are a network engineer, so we focus on the network infrastructure. Actually not network infrastructure, we also have to know, or we need some knowledge or some basic of the system as well. Okay, so in this video we will learn together on some server configuration. Okay, so if you are new here watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like my video. Okay, so for this lab we will have some configuration on Windows Server 2016 and do some configuration on Active Directory. So you will have some knowledge or some basic understanding of our server and how we manage our server, and we manage our organization unit, our user. So we can have a look more in our client, that how we can join to our domain controller. Okay, so I think this is some of you may know already for this configuration, but anyway, if using my video is good for you, you can follow my lab here. But if I have something wrong, you can correct me by comment below in my video, because I'm not good at system administrator, but I want to share some knowledge that I know and I have some experience regarding to my previous company. So I want to share this to all of you that you are new here with Windows Server. Okay, so let's go to the lab together and we see how can we manage our server and our client to join our domain. Okay, so this is our GNS3 lab, and this is our previous lab that we practice together regarding to FortiGate firewall. We create a VLAN and we have configure and set up our server, DNS server, DHCP server, and we deploy Active Directory domain controller. So let's go to our server and we verify our everything for this service. If we go to we go to our server here. We log in. Okay, we go to DHCP. This is our DHCP server, also domain controller and DNS. So we have deploy our IPv4 DHCP server with 2 VLAN vlan 10 and vlan 20, and let's see our client. Okay, we have Windows 10 client and vlan 20, 3 vlan here, 3 client here, so sorry, 3 client, and this is 1 client. Okay, so let's go back to our client. We have client here, so let me check with this vlan 20. We have 3 client, PC1, PC2, Windows 7, PC1, PC2, Windows 7. Oh, this is also vlan 20. Let me check with this one. Ethernet 1/0 vlan 20, Ethernet 3 vlan 10. Okay, so let me change the port. So this PC2 will connect to this port. Okay, Ethernet 0/3. Okay, so PC3 will get the new IP address of vlan 10. Let me try to get the IP address from server. Okay, so now we get IP 10.11. Let's go back to our server and we refresh. Okay, Windows 10. Okay, so now PC2. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so Windows 10 and PC2. Windows 10 and PC2. Okay, so let's try to check on Windows 10. Ping 10.11. Ping google.com. Okay, so let's go back to our firewall and we check our firewall. We verify a little bit about our configuration. We go to network interface. Okay, so this is our VLAN. We have 3 VLAN. Okay, and this is our DHCP server. We have configure 3 VLAN here. So we will continue to manage our server here. We will create our OU organization unit, and we create the user, and we create some user and department for our company. So after that we will join our Windows 10 and Windows 11 client to our domain controller here. So as you can see, let me check. Okay, so now we are on Windows 10 client, and yes, Windows 10 client. So here we are on work group. So after we create the our organization unit, our user account, everything, after that we will join our PC client to domain controller here. Okay, so let's go back to our server, and we go to here, Active Directory, user and computer. Okay, so now as you can see, this is our new domain controller. We don't have anything yet. We don't have any computer joined to our domain, and we have only one domain controller here. This is the default user. Okay, so I will create some department regarding to our lab here, that we have admin, HR, finance, and we have here. So actually for small and medium company, we have some department like let's say admin, HR, finance, IT department, marketing, and let's say purchasing. Okay, so I will create some OU regarding to this department. Okay, so let's go back to our okay, this is a default user, and we go back to our server here. We right click and we create our organization unit. Okay, so I call it that HR admin. Okay, and now IT or IT department, marketing department. Okay, so now we have HR, admin, finance, IT, marketing, purchasing. So under HR admin, I will create one user. Okay. User 1. Okay, user 1. This is login, password. I click on password never expire because this is my lab practice. Actually, you have to change the password because the user need to change password for his own password. Okay, but for our lab here, I want to select this one because I don't want to forget my password. Okay, next, finish. Okay, after that I copy password user 2 okay. Okay, next finish. Okay, user 2. Okay, user 3. Okay. So user 3 will be IT. User 2 will be finance. Okay, admin, finance, IT. Let me. Okay, so you have to manage your own server. It depends on your own company and your own policy and requirement of the company. So this is just for our lab practice that you can have some idea how to manage your domain controller. So okay, we have user 1, user 2, user 3 here. After I join domain, I will have computer here. I will show our client will show here. So now we have our user. We will go back to our Windows 10 client. Okay, Windows 10 client. Our domain is my name. One.local. This is our client name. So after that our client name will show in our domain controller. This is our domain controller name. Okay, one.local. Okay. User. Okay, sorry, administrator. Sorry everyone, administrator without S. Okay, my mistake here. Okay, again. Okay, welcome to one.local domain. So now our Windows 10 client successfully joined domain. It requires our client to restart. So if we go back to our domain controller here, we check on this. Okay, computer, we have Windows 10 client. So Windows 7. Okay, Windows 7. I want to join this Windows 7 client to our domain as well. So okay, sorry. Okay, we need permission. So this is our administrator user. In order to join our domain. Okay, welcome. Restart. Okay, so we log into user 1, password. Okay. Okay, so this is the first login for our user 1. Let's check. Okay, our Windows 7 client also start up. So we log in user 2. Okay. Okay. Now our client is successfully logged in, and we check the user. Okay, user 1, and when we check VMware tool. Okay. Also VMware tool. Okay. Log in again. User 2. Okay. One dot local. Okay. Our domain one dot local, and if we check our PC here, okay, our domain here. So now our client can successfully join to our domain, and let's go back to our client user 1. Okay. Okay, one dot local. Let's check our PC. Let's check our PC here. Okay, so this is our client can successfully join to our domain. Okay. Okay. It's require user admin. So now our client can join to our domain, and we can see this is Windows 10. We will refresh and we see Windows 7 client as well. Okay. So this is how you manage your domain controller with this organization unit. You have to manage follow by your policy of your company. Okay, so this is just for example for you that how we can manage this our domain controller. So after we have our user, our organization unit, after that for the next lab I will take a look into the file server. Okay, file server here. So in file server I will create a share file and automatically map drive for our user for each department. So after user log in to after user log in here, for example user 1, it will have a map drive here, automatically map drive for our user here. So it will have a map drive here. So same thing for user 2 here. User 2 after login, it will automatically map try for user too. Okay, so that for the next lab that I will continue. So I want to stop this video here. If you have any question, please comment below, and if I have something wrong, please correct me. Okay.